One of the founders of Western psychology, William James, suggested in 1890 that the ability to control the wandering attention is the cornerstone of learning, and all else is secondary. Without attention, the ability to learn is hindered, as is the ability to prove what is known. We as educators know too well the complexity of the learning process. We spend countless hours and dollars studying the latest trends in education research, lesson and assessment design, language and literacy development, technology integration, not to mention the depth of knowledge around our subject areas. But what tools have we developed around targeting the neurodevelopmental centers responsible for learning and emotional well-being, and how to integrate that into our instruction? How have we missed this in this profession? The history of meditative research is ancient and comprehensive, and now science is proving profound relationships between the areas of the brain responsible for meditative attention and those of emotional regularity, empathy, resilience, critical thinking, and time management. For the past 12 years, the One-Pointed Mind workshops have been shared in 7 countries at various teaching conferences and in school settings. Many teachers are already championing the techniques presented in this course, but there's more work to do. Many students and teachers have yet to experience the benefits of a one-pointed mind, and that is why this online course was launched. In this 6-week course, we aim to understand the key psychological and physiological components of attention, to understand and appreciate the importance of promoting a one-pointed environment and the impact this has on teaching and learning, to develop your own personal meditation practice, and to better understand how our thoughts about what's happening contribute to stress, anxiety, fear, and anger, and how to better manage thinking. We aim to prepare you to share stillness sessions with students and colleagues to improve learning within the community, and to support you through this process with one-on-one coaching support both during the course and after if you so choose. From there, teaching and learning can flourish, making us better teachers and our students more profound learners.